Okay, so folks, this is on the, I hope you can see us all on the road with Lise. Actually, it's on the road with Eats. So today, what have we got, Arnold?
Hi guys, we're going to have like what will we call this one? Korean mukbang.
Okay, so
what we ordered is first we ordered important thing, rice. Woo woo. Lovely. And then we have the.
We've got
We're gonna eat first.
What we're gonna try first? We got the. What's it? We got the.
We have
mixed
seafood, spicy pork,
squid,
spicy squid. We have the mixed tempura, and then we have the,
which is fried.
Yeah,
sweet potato, fried sweet potato,
vegetable, shrimps, everything in there. And
today is a speciality:
chicken bao.
Chicken bao.
Bao.
Okay,
so we start. Come on.
Okay, so we start. Well, let's go for. Come, Jen.
What do you want, Jen?
Mixed food. There's not much sauce though.
You want mixed seafood first?
Oh,
yeah, we'll try the mixed seafood.
Mixed seafood. And then you have to rate that one. So, from 1 to 10, what do you think about the mixed seafood?
Let's eat it first, mate.
First. Okay.
I hope this is bloody taping, you know? Oh shit.
This is nice.
It's so nice it nearly choked the hell out of me. The squid went straight down my flipping throat.
I'll say,
my god.
This is from 1 to 10. This 8, 9, 7. I'll give it 8.
It is soft though. The squid nearly choked me because it just went zoop straight down my throat. I guess that's gonna come out the other way. But the prawns done nicely, isn't it? The prawns is nice. Nice and stuff. Pretty. There's only 3 in there and stuff. It's a bit of a letdown. We all got 1 prawn each. But here's this. 1 mushroom.
No tissue.
No tissue. Next.
I'm trying the next one. Yeah. The next one is your
the spicy pork.
What is this spoon?
Let's try
the spicy pork. Arnold's favorite. You wanna try this, Jeff?
Spicy pork.
Okay.
Spicy pork.
Let's see.
9.
Because he likes pork.
And it's spicy.
Sorry. Wow.
What about you? Rate it from 1 to 10? I'll give it
Give it a 9.
8.
Okay.
Give it 8.
Yeah.
You don't love pork, man? Show me, I'll give this 6.
6?
Yeah, man.
It's nice.
It's nice, man.
It's not that great.
It is.
Yeah. What could do that?
Yeah. Next, the tempura. Where's the sauce for
Oh,
this
yeah.
one?
What's happened?
Oh, sorry. This is
It is so quite salty actually, but
I'll put it in there.
we might even put it at the back.
Do you want it open?
Yeah, open it.
Okay, favorite.
My favorite.
Just empty that one and then put it in.
Give it down.
So you're trying what tempura are you trying?
I think
You get them for
this
that?
is
What are you?
Potato.
Let's try that one.
Squid.
Yeah, then?
Squid.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Squid, shrimp.
Okay, let's try the squid. Let's try the squid.
This is good one. Okay,
It's nice sauce.
I'm gonna try the squid.
The sauce is nice.
The squid tempura is much softer than the ordinary squid we're eating, right? So it's just straight in the mouth,
Nice.
straight in the sauce, straight in the mouth. Nice.
Yeah, nice and soft.
Nice and soft. Nice and soft. I'll try it on my fire.
Are you sure it's squid?
It's squid. It's really soft. It's nice.
Very nice. Lovely.
So, then sauce. It's really good.
What is it? How
I
nice?
think it's got minced prawns in that.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Tempura 9. I
Tempura.
rate it 9.
Yeah. Give everything 9.
Not perfect, but
9 is good.
good. By the way, guys, we're eating at the car park
Because we are on the road. We're just hoping that a ticket man don't come past and
Give us a ticket.
give us a ticket.
Otherwise, he will have a free meal.
Give him a free meal.
You're gonna give him a free meal?
What do you want? Free meal or ticket?
I guess he's gonna take the ticket. Or he works on commission.
Is it? Anyway,
Don't they work on commission?
I don't know.
I think they do.
Like
Oh.
how, like based on the cars that you given the ticket.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
We were going to buy some Kentucky and compare. This is enough food.
What is this for?
For the bun.
Oh,
Yeah, for the bun.
For the chicken bun. Chicken bowl.
Let me get that.
Let me try the shrimp. One shrimp. Okay, put that one there.
Did you try this piece already? What's that? The sweet potato?
Maybe.
No one tried it?
No.
I'm trying.
You tried it
Tried
now?
it already?
Definitely.
Does it taste nice?
I like it.
Okay. I will eat the gravy from this. Because I'm the only one left with rice. Am I the only one left with rice?
Have plenty rice.
We got more rice in another thing. Oh,
You can take the pork. Spicy pork. We still have some pork in here.
we eat it.
No, Jenny.
I'm not really keen on it. Rasta man don't eat no pork. I'm a Rasta. You don't see my hair? I'm a Rasta. I'm not really eat pork. No, man. Okay, what's for dinner tonight?
Sorry?
What's for dinner tonight?
What are we?
What to eat tonight?
No, this is still no more appetite. This is too much now. If you're still gonna eat for later, just cover the bakeware. So
Do you have plastic bag in there?
yeah.
Okay. For rubbish.
It's only there.
Why?
Sabi?
It's music.
We saw him dancing with their music.
Shrimp.
Next,
Try it.
last but not the least.
Okay,
I think that is for my supper.
Take it home. You cannot eat that one.
Well, you eat it in time, but in time.
Actually, this one is a new product. It's outside. They're cooking it outside. Plus, they have this nice, what do you call that one? It's like yum yum. It's a sweet bread with sugar.
Well, that's got sugar.
Yeah, what do you call that one?
What happened?
That.
All the skin come out.
Yeah, it's like it's bao. It's shopao with
Shopao.
all of this bits and pieces.
That's in that thing. So that put my little dish then. Well, I've got a little dish to take home. No, not anymore. Just run it in the bin.
Just eat some of them. It's no good that you throw it.
It's chicken dumpling. No, sir, I can't eat that.
Right there. So nice. With the sauce.
What is inside? Let me see. Let me see the one.
Not in there. In there.
What is that?
Chicken, they say. But it's they put something very nice inside. It's not only chicken, but with spices and like vegetable. Plus, you have to put the sauce.
Come on,
On top?
Isa, you have to try. Are you had enough? Come on, Isa.
Nah? Not very enough of that.
Wow.
Look, you don't know that squid, mate. Sorry.
You need to eat that.
What this? I want to just try some of it. Because mine is full up already.
Me too.
You full up, innit?
Don't throw it.
This paper thing don't look too good, you know? Huh? Let me eat paper.
But which is better? This
Eat
one,
the paper.
this one, or the one that we ordered before, like the bento box, compared to that one.
It's the same, but it's a different type.
Different taste.
I like it.
I like it. You know something about this one? We'll maybe do the next one another day. But you know something about this one? It is less salty.
Unlike the
Yeah,
other one.
the other one is very, very salty. Very bad for your pressure. But this one is good. You know? So if this don't taste as good as Arnold is saying, he's gonna freaking walk home. Alright.
It's a bit oily. Put this one. What's the taste?
Vegetable.
I told you they put vegetables and with chicken, but you have to eat this one and put some sauce.
I think I tasted somewhere.
You said, you know what it is? You deceived me. You deceived me.
Because you didn't
not
eat
good.
No, you deceived me. No, not like that.
Don't put
You
too
said it was sweet. It's not
No,
sweet
it's
at all.
not sweet.
Did
I
you
said
not say it was sweet?
no. It's like yum yum. It's a sweet. It's a sweet bread with sugar.
Oh, that's not sugar.
Yeah. No.
God.
I said it's chicken, but they put something on it, like vegetable or something, like, you know.
Can I have some tissue, please?
Well, give it a rate, mate.
But
7.
it's nice.
Oh, you like
Well,
it?
No, I
nice.
don't know.
Anyway, taste it when you go home.
No. Take some of mine. Mine is going home.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Just a little bit. Can it? Is it nice, this one?
Let me put that.
You need to put
You need to put that.
Okay. You don't like it?
It's not something that I would really buy.
You don't like
this-
it?
No. Not something that I continue to buy, no. I wouldn't want money to buy this. Not at all. That, you know, I'm not a bread person anyway. It's bread, isn't it? All in all, a big meal.
That's why I gained 5 kilos.
That's why
Overall.
that's why we've gained. More than 5 kilos every flipping time.
It's
We need
not
to stop
only every
this.
month.
We need to stop this.
9.
You're done. 9. 9. 9.
So
9.
overall, 9.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Not 10?
No, I'm
Okay.
not giving it 10.
It's a bit oily.
It's nice.
My overall for the whole month is an 8. I'll give it an 8. I'll give it an 8. What will you give it?
8.
8.
But you like the pork.
Just the pork, I don't like it.
Wait. The way we have it, we're putting away our rubbish. We're not throwing it on the street. And go off you go, Uber. No more. Go.
It's over there.
That's how Uber Eats running there. I put it. He's fast. Look at that. He's fast. Acting right. My God. Everything I know do can't come quick.
Everything he do is not quick.
It's not quick.
You want to be quick.
My gosh, I'm not ordering this anymore.
So what you gonna cook today, Lisa? For your children?
Da 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 da
How did
da
you see
da
this
da
one? Anyway, it's another rubbish one.
da da.
Okay, I'm so full.